In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default font in OneNote for Windows 10. Adjusting your default font is a small change that can make a big difference in keeping your notes consistent and easy to read. Whether you prefer a professional look for work, a casual style for study notes, or just want your favorite font to appear automatically, this setting makes writing in OneNote faster and more uniform. To begin, open OneNote for Windows 10 and navigate to any notebook. It doesn't matter which page you're on, since this setting will apply globally to all new pages you create in your notebooks. Next, look to the top left corner of your window and click on the File tab to open the Settings menu. From here, select Options. This is where OneNote lets you adjust a variety of preferences, including default fonts, page colors, and more. Click on the General option, then scroll down in the General Options menu until you find the Default Font section. Here, you'll see settings for font, font size, and font color. Click on the Font drop-down menu and browse through the list of available fonts. Select the one you want to use as your default. Then, choose a font size that suits your needs. For example, a larger size is great for easy reading, while a smaller size allows more content on a page. You can also pick a color if you want your default text to stand out or match a specific theme. Once you've made your selections, close the Options menu. Now, every new page you create in OneNote will automatically use your chosen font, size, and color. Keep in mind that this does not change the font on pages you've already created, so you may want to manually update older pages if you want everything to match. Setting a default font not only saves time, but also ensures consistency across your notes. It helps keep your work organized, visually appealing, and easier to review. Whether you're taking lecture notes, preparing a report, or jotting down personal ideas, this simple adjustment makes a big difference. And that's it. You now know how to set the default font in OneNote for Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.